Use of has, have, had. Whenever we are having something or ownership of the thing. When we came to know that the person has something, it may be the thing or animal or having child. So we use has, have, had. In present case, has, have. In first singular, has, and with plural subject, have. And in case of past tense, we use always with any kinds of subject, we use had. Example, I have a baby. I have a baby. He has an umbrella. They had scooty. In case of negative, we use I have no baby. And another example, I don't have baby. I don't have baby. I, in case of interrogative, don't you have a baby? Don't you have a baby? Don't I have a baby? We talk about another things, has to, have to, had to. Whenever we come to know that there is compulsion or Hindi meaning majburi, so we use has to, have to and had to. Again, in present, has to, have to, first and the second, and in case of past we use had to, and also in future will have to and shall have to. For example, I have to do the household work because there is my compulsion. If I'll not do the household, so my home become messy. That's why I have to do this. I'll have to go to school RLB to take my baby. Here is my compulsion. For example, I have to go in any case because I need to come back to my baby Abraham from the school. Has to, have to, had to, will have to, shall have to. There are also negative and interrogative sentences like I don't have to go to school because I have no school or no time. I don't have to live at Kanpur because my husband is outsider and I also will have to go to with him. Thank you. Bye bye.